Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to give you the solutions for quiz assignment of week 9 in an introduction to programming through C++. Guys, please watch the video until the end for better understanding. I would like to give you the answers with proofs wherever required. Let's go to the course. Go to week 9 quiz week 9 assignment. Let's read the following code fragment of first question. Struct P, inside there is int q and the function ends, and after that P space R is given. Let's read first question. Which of the following is true? If you observe these options, it is all about only P. If you see here in this code fragment, it is P is declared as a type of struct. So P is a type of a structure. So the first answer is P is a structure type. First option. Let's move on to second question. Which of the following is true? If we again observe these options, they are all given about Q, where Q is a int data type declared inside a function. If anything is declared inside the function, it is known as data member. Here they declared inside the struct function, so it is called as struct member. So Q is a structure member is the correct answer. It is second option in the second question. And the third question, which of the following is true? Let's observe again that all the options are only about R. R is a instance variable declared with P. So R is a structure instance. So third option is correct answer for third question. Let's move on to fourth and fifth questions, which is based on only one program. Consider the execution of the following piece of code. And the code is given like this. It's a piece of code. You should write hash include function and also using namespace before that. Guys, I have did it in online compiler. I will show you the proof for this fourth and fifth questions. So guys, I have written the code in the online compiler. Let's read the fourth question. What will be the first statement print? It means about cout c of 0 dot name of 4. If we consider the program here, I am removing this code. So that only one cout function will be visible for your understanding. So this is the first print statement. I am going to execute this. So U is printed for the first cout statement. So what will be first statement print? U is the correct answer. Remember guys, it is small u, not capital U. And the fifth question, what will the second statement print? Means cout c of 1 dot average. So guys, I'm going to print this. So I'm removing this first print statement. So let's see what will be executed. So guys, here 99 is the output. So the second statement will print 99. So 99 is the correct answer for fifth question and small u is the correct answer for fourth question. Let's see what will be the combined result. I'm going to copy this. Finally, U99 is the combined result, but they asked first statement print and second statement print. So the first answer is the first part U and second answer is the second part 99. So guys, I think you will get the answer proof. And we are moving to sixth question. Which member function do I need to define if I want to allow an operation of the form P plus Q, where P is of type capital P and capital Q of type small q. Guys, when we are using an operator, it should be used in the function definition of the first specified type. Here first specified type before plus operation is small p. So first option is correct answer. Operator plus in the definition of capital P. Sixth question answer is option A or first option. Let's move on to seventh question. A public member function can only access public data members. Is it true or false? Guys, this is absolutely false, because public member function can access any data members. So option B, false, is the correct answer for seventh question. Let's move on to eighth question. Consider the code fragment, and they gave some piece of code and they asked what will it print. So guys, I will show you the proof. Let's go to the online compiler again. So guys, I have written here, I have added hash include and using namespace also. So guys, I'm going to execute this. So guys, we have get the answer as 12. It is the combined result of 1 and also 2. So the correct answer for 8th question is option C, 12. So guys, for 9, 10 and 11th questions, they gave a code fragment below and also written a blank. Blank means any statements in 9th, 10th and 11th questions. So guys, I want to show you with proof by executing this in online compiler. So guys, this is exact the code they gave. I written up to this and also included hash include and using namespaces. So guys, instead of this blank, read the 9th question. If instead of blank contains cout p3.pptr goes to I and L. If we replace that blank with this one, what will be happen? So I am copying this and pasting it here. I have pasted. So let's see what will be the result. So guys, 2 is printed. If we replace blank with the given in 9th question, 2 is printed and they asked it will print 2. Yes, it printed 2. So true is the correct answer for 9th question. And guys, 10th question is if blank contains cout and they gave like this, I am going to again copy this and paste it here instead of the 9th question. So guys, I am going to execute this. So guys, it gave us an error which is based operand of arrow mark has non-pointer type P. So guys, it will print true. It is wrong answer. It is false statement. So false is the correct answer for 10th question. And the 11th question, if blank contains or replaced by this statement, what will be happen? I am going to copy again and paste it here. So guys, I am going to execute this. It has given answer as 1, but they gave it will produce an error, so it is false. So false is the correct answer for 11th question. I am going to submit these answers. So guys, we have successfully executed and did all the questions and programs. So guys, if you like this video with proof and explanation, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share to your friends also. Thank you.